summer. Boats are the first of their kind in North America, and they're named after two important people, without whom these boats would not exist. The Nikola Tesla is named in honor of the inventor and electrical engineer. Tesla made history when he harnessed the energy of Niagara Falls to create power that could travel great distances. It was a massive engineering breakthrough, pioneered right here at Niagara, changing our lives forever. James B. Glynn is named for the chairman and chief executive officer of Data the Next. Glynn joined the company in 1950s in December. During his tenure, he produced expanded operations, achieving tenfold growth. In 2020, in the 7-year period of Data the Next, the company announced an investment in James B. Glynn and his honor. Beneath us, the water plunges to a depth of 1 meter, or 55 meters. The water that flows over the falls comes from 4 of the 5 Great Lakes. From here, the water goes down the Niagara River, into Lake Ontario, into the St. Lawrence River, and finally to the Atlantic Ocean. As we approach this iconic wonder, we once again remind you that for your own safety, please keep hands and feet inside the boat and do not stand in the seats or the metal boxes on the deck. Please keep youngsters off all railings. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Niagara Falls.